Thanks for stopping by. No, I'm not moving houses or shifting my place, nothing. We are going on a trip again. This time, I'm not going to tell you the place. I will drop you hints here and there so you can let me know in the comment section and guess what the place is. In January, we went to Vienna together and explored the city. It was so beautiful. I hope you enjoyed with me. It was a 2-day trip. In case if you have missed those travel vlogs and videos, I'll link it up above or leave it in the description box so you can check them out. And this time we are going on a 3-day trip. I'll be leaving on Friday morning. We'll be staying Saturday, Sunday, Monday and coming back on Tuesday. I need to leave early morning on Friday and I did not pack anything. Today is Wednesday, 6:30 p.m. So I need to stop the intro here and start packing, otherwise God knows that I'll be late. So in case if you're seeing my face for the first time, hi human, my name is Vinny. I hope you are doing well, and in case if you're someone who would be interested in travel, lifestyle, fashion and human stories kind of content, welcome to my channel and do take a moment to subscribe. And without any further delay, let's go.
This is how I started. First, I just brought all the stuff that I need near my travel bag so that later on I can just sit and organize. Did this ever happen to you? You know, while packing, you get distracted and you just try different things. Like these are the sunglasses I just found, and I was just contemplating whether I should take them or not and just trying them out. This is like major distraction for me.
I wish this was summer because this would have looked so cool. Love the shape, I just love the shade, but it's not summer and there's no point of wearing this. Should I carry them?
After all that trying out sunglasses thing that happened, I started packing again. So if you remember, last time we did not have a much space, it was not a bigger bag, etc. But this time I had like 25 kgs plus 7 kgs that I could carry. So I tried to use this bags, like example this one especially for my toiletries, and I tried to stuff everything that I needed in this. I packed my normal glasses and also sunglasses just to have, like, different options, and then my body oil. I tried to pack everything in this plastic covers just so they'll be safe in case by mistake, even if they leak, it wouldn't be a problem. Then my body lotion, my perfumes, these don't go in the cabin baggage, these go in like the check-in baggage, so I don't have to worry. I can keep all the quantity of liquids that I want. And then this blue bag is for my lingerie. I always try to keep extra lingerie, be it my shorts, be it my bras, panties, everything I keep extra just to be safe. And in this also goes like the nipple pasties, boob tape, etc. I don't have any outfits that I need it for, but still I just keep it for safety.
If you remember, on my last trip there was a skirt which I really wanted to try and wear on my trip, and I did. I'll insert a picture over here. That skirt was from Myntra and I was waiting for an opportunity to style that or wear that. And this time on this trip, there's another piece of clothing which I have been waiting to wear, or I have been waiting to try it. So let me show you. Oh my god. Look at this. It is so cute and so soft. I cannot wait to wear this. And yeah, of course, I'm just not going to show you all the outfits. This particular one, I can't wait to try. I can't wait to wear it. I just love it so much. So soft and comfortable, especially in few areas where I'm going. It's going to snow, so it's going to even look more beautiful with the top. So yeah, I'm excited to wear it. Let me quickly show you what all I have packed apart from clothing. This bag is for all the makeup. It looks like a lot, but it's really not much because I have like primer, lipsticks, my eyeshadow, which I don't use, but I like to just keep it as an option, and yeah, basic mascara, etc, etc. So I don't carry any foundation or concealer because I'm not really a base person. I just like to add some blush, highlighter, all those things along with the primer, but not a base person. Also, in terms of clothing, not just like the outfits and etc, but I am carrying proper warmers. This is a bag for perfume, body lotion, body oil, accessories, etc. I'm just carrying just a small amount of accessories because because it's going to be cold and it's going to snow, I cannot wear too many accessories because I have to use my earmuffs, etc. So it doesn't make sense to carry any, big earrings, etc. and stuff. I'm also carrying my puffer jacket, which is really important. So I'm going to have two options. One trench coat, I am going to wear it from here, and the other one is a puffer jacket I just showed you. Of course, my handbag, footwear, all this also goes in here. But you know what's the most interesting part? Last time, if you remember, I just took, some breakfast things that, I can make on the go because it was an apartment. Same thing, but this time it's a bit more because I am literally carrying my entire kitchen. I'm not kidding when I say entire kitchen. I am taking my masalas as well. This is ginger powder, this is garlic powder. I have muesli, some rice, roti, including lemons. So I am not joking when I'm saying that I'm carrying my entire kitchen, because the place that I'm going to is very, very, very expensive, and eating out all the time is just waste of money. So I'm not going to do that because I have so much of luggage that I can carry. I am trying to cover as much food as possible from here itself, all that I have at my home. So that's the plan. Not just the main food for lunch and dinner, but also snacks like this, popcorn, some chocolates, and you will be actually shocked to see this. Yes, I am carrying milk and curd as well with me. I'm just trying to go as prepared as possible with everything that I can. So, my laptop, chargers, power banks, everything will go. Of course, I'm going to take my backpack as well. And in case if you would like to know what I carry in my backpack, there's already a video uploaded, so you can go check that out. I'll link it above or keep it in the description box for you.
So here's my backpack. Here's my travel bag, which is all stuffed in, the check-in bag that's required. It has all the essentials, the snacks, the lint roller as well. And this bag contains all my food things that I require, which I just showed you.
This is jeera, cumin seeds, and turmeric. Literally everything that is required to cook Indian food, I'm taking it with me.
Some onions and some choco spread just for the bread, etc. And of course, gloves, very much needed, and also tiffin boxes because when I'm traveling there, I just want to pack some food. Usually when I'm traveling, I don't add makeup or anything. It's just some serum, some moisturizer, some lip balm, and the only thing extra would be a blush and the lipstick that I do. This is my outfit for the airport. I have this yellow color sweatshirt and black joggers. Black joggers are like a staple. If you just have them, you can style it in multiple ways. I have a shorts on that in case if you would like to watch. I'll tag it above so you can check it out. But yeah, with some trench coat and some shoes, I'm all ready to go.